So guys, some of you ask questions on my tombrown videos. The right measurement for making tombrown, okay, in Ghana, the right measurements for making tombrown mix, okay. So these are cereal mix, these are grains, multiple grains that you can use for your tombrown, and I'm going to be showing you how I do measure my tombrown. By the way, if you are new, please subscribe. I am Nima Nambe and this is Nima's TV, okay. So yes, I have a lot of grains here. As you know, tombrown can be made with a lot of grains, different kind of grains altogether. So I choose to make two type of tombrown recipes for my customers, and those are the original tombrown recipe and also the date and tiger nut mixed tombrown recipe, okay. So yes, I am going to be showing you the measurement for both type of tombrown. So if you are to try, those are the specific and special tombrown mix that I recommend for you to try, and the measurement that I'm going to show to you today, okay. So please watch this video to the end if you really want to know about tombrown, if you really want to learn everything about tombrown, how to produce it and how delicious and sumptuous it is when you prepare your tombrown porridge, okay. So yes, of course the nutritional value of tombrown too cannot be left out, okay. It's very, very nutritious. So yes, these are my ingredients, okay. We are going to be talking about the original tombrown mix first, which I use only 4 main ingredients for the original tombrown mix, okay. And those ingredients are wheat. This is my wheat, okay. If you get a nice wheat like this, is good. And this is also rice. This is the second ingredient for the original tombrown mix, okay. I told you that one is 4 ingredients. So wheat, rice, soya beans. This is my soya beans, okay. Please, this is my soya beans. And also what? Granuts or peanuts. And this is my granuts or peanut, okay. As you guys can see, these are the 4 main ingredients for original tombrown mix recipe, original tombrown mix recipe. And I promise you, if you use just these 4 main ingredients, you are going to have a very delicious, sumptuous and nutritious tombrown mix, okay. So yes, those are the 4 ingredients for the original tombrown mix recipe, okay. Yes, you have a lot of people on social media asking, oh, the original tombrown mix, how do you do the measurement? Please, I want the measurement. I want the measurement in small quantity. If I want to do for my baby, what is the right measurement of tombrown mix? I mean, the right measurement for the tombrown mix. And today I'm going to be showing you. So I have this measuring cups or bowls here that I usually use for my tombrown production, okay? When I'm producing tombrown, I do use these ones. Of course, I do use a larger bowl that we use to measure grains in the northern part of Ghana here. But for today's purpose, we are going to be making use of only these 2, okay. We are going to be making use of only these 2 cups. If you want to go ahead with this, that is fine. If you want to use this one too, that is fine. So make sure that you are having a bowl or a cup that you are going to be using always for the measurement, okay. It has to be one particular cup or bowl that you should be using as your measuring cup, okay. So yes, so let's say that we are going to be using this. I only mention my videos. I always mention in my videos that if you are making tombrown, make sure that the nutritional value follows this requirement, okay. It has to be 2 to 3 parts of carbohydrate to 1 part of protein, okay. So looking at these ingredients here, what do you think is the carbohydrate and what do you think is the protein? We have soya beans. As everyone knows, that soya beans has a lot of protein in it, okay. Just like black-eyed beans, you can replace this one with black-eyed beans if you so wish, but the aroma of soya beans in your tombrown mix cannot be overemphasized, okay. So I chose soya beans, okay. So soya beans and granite has some amount of protein in it also, so that is why it is included, okay. So granite also has some oil in it, which is also very good for your overall health, okay. So those are my proteins, and this is also what? My carbohydrate. This is wheat, and then this is what? Rice. So wheat has a lot of fiber in it, though it is carbohydrate, but it has high amount of fiber, which is very good for your gut health, okay. Wheat is also very good for your gut health because of the amount of fiber that it contains, okay. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to use this cup to measure. I'm just going to show you. It's a demonstration of the measurement, of the right measurement of tombrown cereal mix. Okay, so if we are using this particular cup in your house, you can find a cup that you want to use for the measurement. So that particular cup should be used for all the ingredients, for all the measurements of the ingredients. Okay, so I have this cup to use, and I'm going to measure 2 cups of this rice. So it has to be this. You know, if you are in the culinary school, you know that making measurement, it has to be level. This is how you're supposed to measure with a measuring cup. Okay, so you're going to have 2 of these cups. Well, I don't want to measure and mix them together because after everything you have to fry. So I'm just going to demonstrate to you 2 of this cup, or any cup at all, or any measuring board at all that you have at your home. I mean in your home. Okay, so 2 cups of rice. Okay, 2 cups of 2 cups of wheat. Yes, 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of wheat. Okay, and you're going to also have 2 cups of soya beans. 2 cups of soya beans. Okay, 2 cups of soya beans. Please make that one sink. Okay, soya beans is protein. 2 cups of soya beans. Okay, and you're going to have 1 cup 1 cup of granuts. 1 cup of granuts. 1 cup of granuts. 1 cup of granuts. Very, very, very important. Okay, so I made a video and I educated us about the importance or the reasons why you don't have to overwhelm your tombrown with a lot of granite. Okay, and how to actually make your tombrown last longer. Okay, granite is well spoken in that particular video. I made a lot of comments about the quantity of granite in that particular video, so I will be linking that video in the description box of this particular video. Okay, so yes, let's go through again with the measurement of the cereals for the original tombrown mix. We have 2 cups of wheat, 2 cups of rice. You can use any rice at all that you are having. If it is local rice, if it is the polished white rice, you can use it. If it is brown rice, you can use it. But I do like using what? Local rice. Okay, very nutritious. Okay, and also 2 cups of soya beans. 2 cups of soya beans. Okay, and 1 cup of granuts. 1 cup of granite. 1 cup of granite. So that is the recipe of the measurement, the correct measurement of the tombrown mix, of the original tombrown mix. So let's do that apart. Okay, so now if you are going to make the dates and tiger nut mix tombrown, you are going to be including dates and tiger nut to these 4 recipes, to these 4 ingredients. Okay, to the original tombrown mix. We spoke about the correct measurement of it. So now if we are going to make the dates and tiger nut mix tombrown, you are going to be including dates and tiger nut. As you can see, this is date. For those of you who don't know what date is, this is very, very nutritious and very, very healthy. Okay, so it also has a lot of sugar in it. It has a lot of it gives a lot of energy if you are taking dates. Okay, but if you take it over, and if you are diabetic, your sugar levels might go a little higher. So you have to moderate or take care of, the way you consume dates. Okay, and it is also a good replacement for white sugar. Okay, because you can make date powder and use it as a sweetener. You can make date syrup and use it as a sweetener. Okay, and yes, this is also what? This is tiger nuts. Okay, so the date, I did not mention this about the date. The date, if you are going to purchase it for your tombrown mix, there are some that are very soft and it is not recommended when you are making tombrown mix powder. So you got to look for the one that is well dried as this. Okay, even if they are not very dry, at least something like this. Okay, I hope you can see how it looks like. Okay, it's somewhat dry, not very soft. There are some that are very, very soft. You don't have to use that in your tombrown mix. If not, your tombrown powder is not going to last. Okay, so this is your date and this is also what? Your tiger nut. I hope you remember that we are going to be using just 1 cup of granite. Okay, and likewise we are going to be using what? 1 cup of dates. Okay, just like this. The dates and tiger nut and also the groundnut are going to be the same measurement, okay, unlike the other three cereals. Okay, it's going to be 1 cup of dates, it's going to be 1 cup of tiger nuts. Okay, it's going to be 1 cup of tiger nuts. So for those people that are diabetic and they don't want to use white sugar in their tombrown porridge, you can actually make this recipe, or you order a tombrown mix from me, because I do supply people their tombrown mix. I brand my tombrown mix very special for everyone, for babies, adults, people that are diabetic and do not want to take white sugar. This particular tombrown mix powder is very recommended for you guys. Okay, so this is just a short video to show you and to let you know the correct measurement of tombrown mix, the cereals for tombrown mix preparation. Okay, yes, so I guess this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you are new, consider subscribing, because I talk about businesses in Ghana and how to make money as a local woman in Ghana. And making money as a woman is very, very crucial. So hence this channel. Okay, I make videos on food recipes and also businesses in Ghana. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.